Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Can you people switch on your video? You can unmute yourself. You can switch on your video. Good evening, Shubham. Good evening, Dollar.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can I see some faces for some time? Please switch on your camera.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Iraban.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Ankit. Hello, Varinya. Hello, Abiru.
Good evening, sir.
Achha, all you guys can hear my voice properly? Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. Very good. Hello, Avesta. Hello, Ankit. Uday.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, beta. Very nice. Very nice. I'll just bring up the exercise and straight away we'll start with the work. How many of you have done your homework?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Very nice. Good. Good, good, good. All right. So let's start with the work. I'll just share the screen with you. Now you can mute yourself. Okay. Please mute yourself, all of you. Yeah. I want all of you to mute yourself and okay, just a second. I want to open the chat box. Where is the chat box? Just 1 second. Just 1 second. I'm facing a little bit of technical issue. Just hold on. Okay. Had it. Yeah, now we are done. Perfect. So we shall start with our work today. Just a second. Why is it not working? Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Sir,
Yes, done. Everyone ready? I was having a technical difficulty now, which is solved now. Chalo. So first of all, I want all of you to write the squares of all the numbers from 1 to 25. Please do that in your notebook. Very good, Ayush. I want you to write the squares of 1 to 25 right now in your notebook. Please do that without any shame, without any confusion. Write down squares of all the numbers in your notebook. Okay. Very good, Aviru. Write down again on a fresh page. Just do that. (14 square, 15 square, 16 square, 17 square, 18 square, 19 square, 20 square, 21 square, 22 square, 23 square, 24 square, and 25 square. Very good. So just write these squares in your notebook very carefully. Then we shall start with the most important part of Vedic maths today. So I hope all of us remember up to 12 square very strongly, even 13 also, because it is a special number. Then 15, 20, 21, and 25. They are also special cases. Only some of them are remaining that you have to do. And yesterday we had discussed a simple method of calculation of squares. And I had given some homework. Very good, Anishmita. I want all of you to complete this without any tension. So 1 squared, I can write it as 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square 36. 7 square 49. 8 square 64. Very good. 9 square 81. 10 square is 100. 11 square 121. 12 square 144. 13 square 169. 14 square 196. 15 square 225. Now these numbers we have been discussing for the last 2 days. In today's class, we'll go beyond all this. Right? So it is 256, 289, 324, 361, 400, 441, 484, 529, 576, and 625. Now, I want all you people to identify the ones that you don't remember right now. Mark them. For example, the ones that are difficult for you, please go ahead and mark them. Try to memorize them right now. Mark the ones that are difficult for you, like 17, 18, 19, 22, 23, 24. Try to memorize them right now. Okay? I think others would be fine. Other numbers would be fine, है ना? सिर्फ इनमें तकलीफ होगी. इनको एक बार रिवाइज करने की कोशिश करो. इनको याद करने की कोशिश करो. Okay. So now we shall move on to the first method of today's session, which is the most important part. That is base method for multiplication. Okay. Base 100. Base method of multiplication. Let's start with this. If I give you a situation like this, 108 into 104, both the numbers are close to 100. Identify the difference of both the numbers from 100. Base is 100, so from 100, ये दोनों numbers कितना दूर है वो identify करो. So 108 is 8 above 100, that is plus 8. I repeat, identify the difference of the number from the base. उस given number का base से कितना difference है वो ढूंढो. 104 के लिए it is plus 4. Okay. Now, when we multiply, the answers will have two parts. Answer will have two parts. Listen very carefully. Let's calculate the first part. How do we calculate the first part? Take any number and take the difference of the other number and add them. So 108 and 4, if you add them, what do you get? You get 112. Similarly, even if you take this number and this difference, even if you add these two, you're going to get the same answer always. That will be the first part of your answer. Listen again. Listen again. If I have to multiply 108 and 104, base is 100. 100 से कितना दूर है वो आइडेंटिफाई करो. ऊपर की तरफ है तो +8, ऊपर की तरफ है +4. नाउ कोई भी एक नंबर और दूसरे वाले का डिफरेंस ऐड करो. ठीक है, वो कोई भी करोगे आंसर सेम आएगा. सो वेदर यू टेक 108 + 4 or you take 104 and 8, outcome same आएगा. So that will be the first part of your answer. Now second part, बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. ये जो भी डिफरेंसेस थे ना उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. मल्टीप्लाई द डिफरेंसेस. 8 into 4, 32. So the answer is 11232. 11232. Let's take another example. 103 into 109. Multiply this. Try to do it fast. Try to do it mentally. The difference is +3 + 9. 103 + 9. Cross addition. That is 112. And then 3 into 9. Second part में सिर्फ इन दोनों का multiplication. 27. Right? ठीक है? Let's take another example. 106 into 108. 106 into 108. Let's do it again. Identify the difference of these numbers from 100. ये दोनों नंबर 100 से कितना डिफरेंस है वो आइडेंटिफाई करो. इसका डिफरेंस है +6, इसका डिफरेंस है +8. टेक दिस नंबर एंड ऐड द डिफरेंस ऑफ द अदर नंबर. इन दोनों को ऐड करो. इन दोनों को ऐड करो. 106 और 8, या फिर 108 और 6, इन दोनों को ऐड करो. कोई भी करोगे आंसर सेम आएगा. So 106 + 8 will become 114. Right? This is the first part of the answer. Now the second part will always have 2 digits. As long as the base is 100, second part will always have 2 digits. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Multiply these differences. इन दोनों differences को multiply कर दो. So 6 into 8, that is 48. So 11448. All right. Let's take some more examples. 102 into 123. Base will always take base 100 only. हम सिर्फ base 100 ही लेंगे. We shall always take base 100. Yes, ध्यान से सुनिए. शमसूर टाइपिंग में शायद कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ. ध्यान से करो उसको. So +2 + 23. 102 और ये 23. बड़ा आसान सा है. कोई एक्स्ट्रा दिमाग लगाओगे ना तो नहीं समझ में आएगा. ठीक है? राइट? कोई फैंसी चीज ढूंढने की कोशिश मत करो. डोंट ट्राई टू फाइंड एनी फैंसी थिंग. इट्स एज सिंपल एज इट लुक्स. जितना सिंपल ये दिख रहा है उतना ही सिंपल ये है. ठीक है? सो 102 + 23, that is 125. First part. Then second part, 2 into 23, 46. I hope everyone understands this. Anyone has any confusion, you can tell me now. We shall take more examples. I hope you can see that as long as one of the numbers is close to 100, if both the numbers are close to 100, very easy. Even if one number is close to 100, one number is far, still very easy. Difficulty कब होगी? जब दोनों numbers 100 से दूर होंगे. Let's take some more examples. 107 into 112. 112 into 115. Chalo, let's start with this. Very good. Very good. So difference of 7 and 12. 107 plus 12, that is 119. And 7 into 12, 84. 11984. ठीक है? Very good, Jagjit Singh, Irban, Aishwarya, Varinya. Now this one. Avesta, second part should be 2 digits only. Second part only 2 digits. तो क्या करोगे ऐसा?
सर
It's not
सर
हाँ, yes.
सर मुझे दोबारा समझाओ ना, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, मैं बाहर चला गया था.
अच्छा. So take the difference of these two numbers from base. The base is 100. Difference 12, difference 15. Take any one number and the difference of the other one, add them. So 112 plus 15, 112 plus 15, 127. Then multiply 12 into 15. But second part should have only 2 digits. Second part has only 2 places. So 12 into 15 is 180. So what should we do? 8 and 0 will appear here. And 1 will be carried forward to this 127. So if you add carry forward, it will become 128.80. Challenge is, can you do all this mentally? Right?
सर अगर थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो मेंटली भी हो जाएगा, उसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है.
Absolutely. करते हैं practice. 122 into 133 atom bomb. Base will take only as base 100. कोई और base नहीं लेंगे. Base जो है हम सिर्फ 100 लेंगे. Base we will take only as 100. No other base is going to be beneficial for us. It is going to be useful but not beneficial. Beneficial is only one base, that is 100. There is only one base that is beneficial, that is base 100. So we shall focus on that without any fear. बिना डरे solve करो. Avesta, base is 100 beta, 100. So difference is 22. Difference is 33. So first part will be 122 plus 33 or 133 plus 22. That will be 155. Now second part, how do we calculate second part? Second part will be 22 into 33. Now how will you multiply this one? This you can multiply like this. 30 plus 3 kar sakte ho. You can break 33 as 30 plus 3 and then you multiply. 22 into 30, 660, and 22 into 3, 66. If you add them, it will be 726. Now what happens for 726? 2 and 6 will come in the end. What happens to this 7? Carry forward. Hasil. Agle step mein hasil ho jayega. So agle part mein wo add ho jayega. So 155 plus 7. That is 162.26. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Kya baat hai. Let's go for more difficult situation. 107 into 148. 114 into 155. डरना नहीं सिर्फ. Just don't be scared. नंबर ही तो है, निकल के मारेगा नहीं वो. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Very good. Fantastic. Fantastic. So 7 is the difference, 48 is the difference. So if you add 155 is the first part. Then 7 into 48, right? That is 336. 7 into 48 is 280 plus 56, 336. So 36 will come here and 3 will be carried forward. 15836. आपको प्रैक्टिस इस बात की करनी है कि ये वाला लिखने की जरूरत ना पड़े, ये आप डायरेक्टली मन में कर सको। वो हो जाएगा, उसमें चिंता की बात नहीं है। That will happen. Now first part here, 114, 155. So 169. Then 14 into 55, 770. So 70 here and 7 इसमें add होगा. So 17670. So I hope everyone is clear about the base method of multiplication for base 100. Now here all the numbers were above 100. What if the number is below 100? What if the numbers are below 100? Let's take an example for that also. Can we take that example? If we
Yes, sir.
have 93 into 98, let's say. Let's do this. First of all, identify the differences from base 100 only. Base तो हम 100 ही लेंगे, ठीक है? Base will be 100 only. So what is the difference of this one? -7. What is the difference of this one? -2. Now 93 and -2 add करोगे तो क्या होगा? ये तो subtract हो जाएगा ना? So whether you take 93 minus 2 or 98 minus 7, outcome will be the same. Whether you take 93 minus 2 or you take 98 minus 7, the outcome is going to be 91. Very nice, very good. And the second part is still the product of difference. Now, if both the products, both the numbers are negative, the product will be positive. Am I right? So it will be -7 into -2, that is 14. So वो as it is आ जाएगा. So there is no problem even in this case. Anyone has any difficulty? Okay, let's take one more example to more get it clear. 89 into 94. Yes, Samsur, bolo. 89 into 94. 89 into 94. Identify the differences. Add any one number and the difference of the other number. So चलो अभी एक बार और मैं लिखता हूँ, -6 -11. So 89 minus 6 or 94 minus 11. It will be 83. Then 11 into 6, that is -11 into -6, it is +66. So no problem at all. Let's take 85 into 87. 85 into 87. Very good, Irwan, Amar, Samyak, Samsur, Anusmita, बहुत अच्छे. 85 into 87. 85 into 87. एकदम ध्यान से. Carry forward is a very beautiful thing. You just have to take care of it. -15, -13. So 85 minus 13, that is 72. Or 87 minus 15 is also 72. Then -15 into -13. -15 into -13. If you multiply this. आर्या अभी पहले जो कर रहे हैं सिर्फ उस पर फोकस करो, ठीक है बच्चे? अच्छा रहेगा. Fine. 15 into 13, that is 195. So 95 comes here and then 1 will get carried forward to this. So 72 plus 1, that will become 73. ठीक है? All right. हाँ शायंतन, प्लीज होल्ड ऑन. जैसे जैसे हम कर रहे हैं साथ में करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा, ठीक है? किसी को भी एडवांस भागने की जरूरत बिल्कुल नहीं है, है ना? एंड में यदि कुछ रह जाए तो आप मुझे बताना, ठीक है? चलो लेट्स टेक वन मोर और लेते हैं. पहले इसको अच्छे से करें ना बेटा, 73 into 84। चलो और कॉम्प्लिकेट करते हैं। आधा अधूरा काम नहीं करना है, ठीक है। whenever we learn a method we try to explore it as much as possible, right? I will make sure that I discuss all the desired required useful methods with you। मैं कुछ छोड़ूंगा नहीं, है ना। 73 into 84 73 into 84। Now what do you see? जैसे जैसे आप 100 से दूर होते जा रहे हो, the farther you are going from the base 100, the difficulty of calculation will keep increasing। तो पहले तो इसको अच्छा करें जितना हो सकता है। तो 73 into 84, that is minus 27, minus 16। So I see that it is not very beneficial। I hope all of you can see that। So every method has a limitation। So 73 minus 16, that is 57, and 27 into 16, 320 and 112, 320, 112,
हाँ सर 5 और 6 आया और हमने मेथड
32 and 4। Omkar, please mute yourself, please mute yourself। 4 ऐड किया, so it is 6132। अभी म्यूट करो बेटा। Right, so everyone understand this? For a number from 85 to 100 या फिर 100 to 115, that's really nice method, है ना। That would be really nice। इसमें किसी को कोई confusion नहीं है। Now let's take an example। If one number is above 100, one number is below 100, let's see what happens in that case। Are you ready? If one number is below 100, one number is above 100, right? Let's take up that one। Okay, suppose we have 92 into 112। How do we go about it? चलो एक मैं पहले करता हूं, बहुत ध्यान से देखना आप लोग। Okay, the difference is -8, the difference is +12। How do we take the first part? First part is the same, 92 plus 12 होगा और 112 minus 8 होगा, right? So either you take 92 plus 12 or you take 112 minus 8। How much is that? It is going to be 104। Is everyone clear about this? About the first part? We'll go one by one। Are you clear about the first part? It is 104। ठीक है? Now comes the second part। Second part will have 2 digits। How do we write 2 digits? That is a challenge। That is a challenge। Listen carefully। Now this is -8 into +12। What is -8 into 12? -8 into 12 is how much?
72।
But it is a minus sign। It has a minus sign, right? Now, one very important thing that you need to understand, you have to subtract 96 from which number? When there is nothing, we put a 0 here. So we subtract 96 from 10400. That is why it is one step extra। Is everyone clear? I repeat, listen carefully। Here one number is negative, one number is positive, so their product is -96। You cannot put -96 in these two places। तो आप क्या करोगे? 0 0 रख दो, इसमें से 96 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो। तो 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 9 0, और यहाँ से एक कम हो जाएगा 103, 10304। All right, I'll take more examples, don't worry, just work with me। If I have, let's say 94 into 118, 94 into 118। All right, wait a second, 118 है ये, 94 into 118। Let's solve this। 94 into 118। So इसमें क्या होगा? जैसे जैसे डिफरेंस बढ़ेगा, your difficulty will keep increasing। Omkar, please sit in one place। Okay, don't move around, don't play with anything else।
सर मैं नहीं, अच्छा हाँ वो पीसी बंद हो गया था तो मैं मोबाइल का सेटअप किया था, सेटअप हटा रहा था, अब खुल गया।
Yeah, -6 plus 18. So 94 plus 18 or 118 minus 6, that is 112. Then 2 zeros. पहले भी ये zero था ही, it's just that we never needed it, है ना? Now, because it is product is negative, we have to be a little careful. So -72. Is everyone clear?
सर
So this is 1 1.
हेलो सर
Yes.
हेलो हाँ सर आपने जो अभी करे ना 94 मल्टीपल 118 जो करे ना तो सर वो उसके नीचे के स्क्रीन नहीं आ रहे सर वो दिख नहीं रहा है
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं मैं ऊपर
थोड़ा ऊपर लिखिए हाँ ऊपर लिखिए हाँ
94 into 118. The difference is -6 plus 18. Sorry. One second, ये हटा दो. It is not 72. ऊपर ही इसको मैं पूरा साफ कर देता हूँ. Wait, थोड़ी जगह बना देता हूँ. Yeah, I think it is visible to everyone now. 94 plus 18, that is 11200. Then 6 into 18 is 108, but it is -108. So what should we do? We should write 108 here and subtract. So what happens? You get 92 here, and this is 2 subtract hoga. So 11092. 11092. 11092. या अभिरूप वो 72 गलत था बेटा. 72 was wrong. मैंने गलत लिखा था. Okay. The correct product is 108. Let's take some more examples for this. अच्छा ये हटा दो. Let's take a couple of more examples. Okay. If I give you something like this, let's say 113 into 84. 113 into 84. अच्छा उसका एक काम करो. You will have to refresh your device. Saptarshi, you will have to refresh your device. Okay, just refresh it once. बाहर जाके दोबारा log in करो. Irban, yes, obviously that is bound to happen. Every method has a limitation. बच्चे मैं बस लोगों को ये समझाना चाहता हूँ ना, जहां पे पहले काम हो रहा है पहले उसको सीखें, अच्छे से उसकी प्रैक्टिस करें ताकि उतने रेंज में ना पकड़ में आ जाए. फॉर एग्जांपल 85 to 115. दिस इज योर लाइक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. दिस बिकम्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि ये तो अच्छा हो ही जाए, है ना. चलो लेट्स सी. सो दिस इज +13. दिस इज -16. So either 113 -16 or 84 +13. So that will come out to be 97. Then 13 into 16. इसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते, है ना. It is 160 and 28, so it is -208. मैं यहीं पे सीधा लिखता हूँ, right? So 08 subtract. So basically empty place means 0 0. Subtract. So it is 2. It is 9, right? And this will become 3. So 94. So 9492. So obviously, if both the numbers are above 100, I'll just write an example. 102 into 170. This is very easy. Similarly, 83 into 94. That is also very easy. The problem happens when one number is below 100, one number is above 100. So with a little bit of practice, that also can be done. Okay, so I'll take just one last example for this. One last example I want to take on this one. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट वाला ही ले लेता हूँ. 73 into 117. Please go ahead. 73 into 117. ये मैं सिर्फ धमकाने के लिए दे रहा हूं, चिंता मत करो. नहीं प्रैक्टिस के लिए दे रहा हूं. So just try it once, see what you can do. 73 into 117. So -27 plus 17. So 73 plus 17 or 117 minus 27, that is 90. 27 into 17, there is no option. 510 minus 51. So it is 59. 459. So it is 459, but it is -9. So 0 0. So subtract हो जाएगा. So it will become 85 41. This is the answer. All right, all right. So I have already identified these cases you should be really comfortable with. These cases you should be really comfortable. इस वाले में थोड़ी practice कर लेना, method learn कर लेना बस. ठीक है? Now, what is the biggest advantage? Squares calculation on base 100. Can you calculate 107 square? Can you calculate 107 square using this method? 107 square. Yes, Vandit, 107 square. It is 107 into 107. So the differences are 7 and 7. अरे तो मैं ये भी क्यों करूं? Hold on, रुको, wait. Why should I do even that? थोड़ा इसको और आसान करते हैं ना? अरे वाह, yeah. Very nice. I think all of you have done this. 107. So क्या करना चाहिए? Base is 100. Now listen to me very carefully. Identify the difference. Difference is 7. Add the difference to the number itself. Add the difference to the number itself. ठीक है? 107 plus 7. 107 plus 7. How much is it? 107 plus 7. How much is the addition? 114.
114.
And then second part, take the square of this. Second part, take the square of this. जो पहले product होता था, अलग-अलग numbers थे तो now here it is the same number. So take the square of this. What is square of 7? 49. So 11449. Right? Can you do it without writing anything? Let's see. Let's try to do that. 104 square. 104 square. Difference 4. Add the difference to the number itself. Add the difference to the number itself. So it becomes 108. And then square of 4. That is 16. Rishit, square of 4 बच्चे. Square of the difference. इसका square. ठीक है? What is square of 103? Square of 103. Identify the difference of the number from the base, that is 3. Add it to the number itself. So 106. And then square of this difference. Square of the difference. There are 2 places here. So square of 3 क्या होता है? 9 होता है. So how do we write 9? 9 should be written as 09. यहाँ पे 2 places हैं. इतनी देर से 2 places कर रहे हैं वो नहीं दिख रहा. So it has to be written as 09. ठीक है? You have to keep learning in every step. Okay? 102 square. Let's do this. Identify the difference of this number from base 100. How much is it? Plus 2. Add the difference to the base itself, to the number itself. So 102 plus 2, that is 104. And then 2 square. Ayush, have it up. Very good, very good. Samsur, it has to be 104. But 2 plus 2, 4. And 2 square is 04. So 10404. 101 square. शांति से, ध्यान से करो, ध्यान से. 101 का square.
101.
Difference 1. So it add 1, it will become 102. And then 1 का square is 1. लेकिन इधर 2 places है. सम्यक, there are 2 places here. Very good, very nice. 01. 10201. Okay. Do you realize कि 101 से लेके 110 तक, now you remember, is there anyone who will find any difficulty in calculation of these squares? I want you to understand that all of you remember this now. Do you realize that? You already remember this. Randomly, बिना लिखे, 108 का square, वो तो कर दिया. हाँ, 108. What is the square of 108? Don't write anything. चलो, speaker on करो, जिसको जो दिल में आता है बोलो. 108 का square, 108 square.
11664.
11664.
वेरी गुड। 109 का स्क्वायर, कंपटीशन है, चॉकलेट मिलेगा जल्दी।
11881.
1182.
वेरी गुड। 105 का स्क्वायर, 105।
11025.
25.
चलो चलो अभी म्यूट कर लो, अभी म्यूट कर लो, अभी म्यूट कर लो, अभी म्यूट कर लो, बस बस। That's it. Please mute yourself. I just want to ask some people. Samsur, you are clear. Very good. 8 square 64 होता है बच्चे। Ayush, Irban, Rishit, I hope all of you are clear about this. Dollar, Polas, कोई भी छूटना नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है? या चलो अब देखो। Now certain observations. I don't know whether you saw it or not. What is 11 square? Don't say मैं लिख ही देता हूँ, 121. And just now you calculated 101 square. क्या था जरा देखना? What was 101 square? It was 10201. Do you see something? चलो whatever you see, I will ask what is 1001 square. Guess करो, दिमाग लगाओ।
1002001.
100201.
Very good, very good. 002001. And this will go on. Do you realize that? If you insert 2 zeros here, then here also 2 zeros are inserted. Look at the pattern. Look at the pattern. Will it happen always? Let's see. Let's check. What is 12 square? 144. Aishwarya, 1002001. है ना?
Sir, I'm sorry, it's for by mistake.
Okay, I got it. No, Irwan, it will not go to infinity. It will go for some numbers only. 102 square was just now you calculated, right? So what is 10002 square? 0002 square. It will be 10004 0004. And this will continue. So as long as we have 1 here and 2 here, answer इसी तरीके से आएगा. Very good, Anusmita. The limit is only 13. 13 के बाद ना ये यहाँ पे 2 digit आ जाता है इसलिए. Very good. Look at 13 square. That is 169. Right? 103 square. That is 10609. So what is 100003 square? I hope all of you can write this.
सर ये आपने जो नीचे लिखे ना सर वो दिख नहीं रहा है सर वो।
आप कौन सा डिवाइस यूज कर रहे हो सर?
सर मैं मोबाइल यूज कर रहा हूँ, उसमें नहीं दिख रहा सर, नीचे का कट जा रहा है, नीचे नहीं आ रहा सर।
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, मैं लिखता हूँ। पैटर्न समझ गया ना?
हाँ पैटर्न समझ में आया सर।
हाँ, up to 13 only. This will go up to 13 only. ठीक है? Now this is just an observation, है ना? This is not a method. This is just an observation. All right? चलो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। कोई बात नहीं इरबान, कोई बात नहीं. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead with numbers like 112. Can you calculate square of 112 using the base 100 method, the one that you have learned just now? The one that you have just learned, can you solve the squares of 112? आराम से, हड़बड़ाना नहीं है. I'll explain once, okay? I will explain. Don't worry, I'll explain once. Look at the difference of this from base 100. Base is 100. Base is 100. Difference is how much? 12. Add 12 to the number.
Sir, 1 2 5 4 4.
क्या बात है ओंकार, very nice, very nice. But there are two places here. What is square of 12? Ankit, carry forward बच्चे. Square of 12. अच्छा, square of 12. Ankit, second part is square of 12. चलो मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. Second part is square of difference. Second part is square of difference. All right. So 12 का square क्या होता है? 144. Now, is it new for you? No, it is carry forward. So 44 will come here and 1 will get added to this. So it becomes 12544. Am I right? Are you people clear? Let's take
Yes, sir.
one. Omkar, you should type. You should type. Don't speak in between, huh? You should type. Okay?
सर अभी मैं मोबाइल पे हूँ तो मोबाइल पे टाइप करने में कितना टाइम जाएगा?
अच्छा, so then you can show your thumbs up like this, okay? Just ऐसे show कर दो. बोलना नहीं है, खाली ऐसे thumbs up show करना है. 113
Okay,
का
sir.
square. चलो, can we try to do it a little fast? 114 का square. 113, 114. Try to do it mentally. Try to do it mentally. And those who do it, they can just show me your thumbs up. Very good. Very nice. If you have a trouble in typing, you can just show me a thumbs up. 113 and 13. So 1, 2, 6. And then 13 square, 169. So 69 here and 1 added. So 1, 2, 7, 6, 9. Very good. Very good. Right. 114. So 114 and 14. So it is 128 and 14 square 196. So 96, 1 added to this. So 12996. Polas, I hope you are able to follow. Let's take more difficult ones. 117 square, 118 square, 123 square. I am not in a hurry. I will make sure that all the methods that are required, I'll finish everything clearly, even if it requires extra time. But I just want you guys to have focus and एक एक करके करेंगे तो मजा आएगा, सीखेंगे. Very good, Omkar. Very nice, Ayush, Abhirup. हड़बड़ाना नहीं है यार. बहुत ये इतनी बढ़िया चीज कर रहे हो, जो चीज आपके साथ अगले 50-100 साल तक रहने वाली है, उसमें 5 मिनट के लिए क्यों हड़बड़ाना? Enjoy this. Hold on to this. Yes, Ayush, you're right. Abhirup, 18 square, 18 square. That is the reason that we did squares initially. 18 square is 324. हाँ बच्चा, 324. क्या बात है, अवेस्ता, वरिन्या, वाह वाह वाह. Anusmita, carry forward is 3. Carry forward is 3. हाँ कोई बात नहीं, गलतियां होने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. चलो, so 17. You add 17. It becomes 134. Now 17 square is 289. So 89 here. Add 2 carry forward to this. So this becomes 13689. 118 plus 18. So it becomes 136. 18 square is, चलो इसको मैं लिख देता हूँ पूरा, 324. So 24 will come here and 3 will get added to this. So it is 13924. 23, add 23. You get 146. And then 2 places, 23 square. That is the reason that we did it in the beginning, right? 23 square is 529. ठीक है? कोई बात नहीं, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, धीरे धीरे याद होते जाना चाहिए. So 29 will come here, 5 will be carried forward. So 15129.
136.
Right, Ayush? I hope you have made the correction, bache.
And is it kindly 654, 146, 146, 23 square.
23
Sorry.
square is 529.
23 का 3 3 के 9, 3 3 के 9, 3 3 के 12.
Arya, you can mute yourself. You should mute yourself. Please mute yourself, okay? चलो और आगे थोड़ी और तकलीफ पैदा करते हैं आपके जीवन में. 131 square. Can you do that? You know 31 square, right? 31 is a special number. Those who are not aware, उनको मैं याद दिला दूं. 13 square is 169. 31 square is 961. Number ulta, square ulta. Right? 13 का square 169, 31 का square 961. So everyone has to remember it. Calculation की जरूरत को खत्म कर देना है. The requirement of calculation we have to remove. Okay, I think there is some typing mistake. 31. Shreya Chatterjee, please make sure that you take correctly. If you add 31 and 31, you will get 62, 162. Then 31 square is 961, right Shreya? So 961. 6 and 1 will appear here and here. 9 will be carried forward to the next step. 17161. I hope everyone can see, जैसे जैसे हम बेस से दूर होते जा रहे हैं, हमारी तकलीफ जीवन में बढ़ती जा रही है. Am I right? 141 square. I hope all of you remember square of 41. We have done it separately. Number ending in 1. We have done it yesterday, right? 41 का square हमने कल किया था. Those who don't remember, उनके लिए 1 के लिए 1, 4 का double 8, 4 का square 16. This is square of 41. So 41 and 41. बेस सिर्फ 100 ही लेना. और कोई बेस ले सकते हैं क्या? Yes, ले सकते हैं. फायदा होगा क्या? नहीं होगा. बड़ा सिंपल आंसर है. Can we use any other base? Yes, we can. But will it help us? Not at all. 100 या 100 के भाई बंधु जो होंगे सिर्फ वही आपको हेल्प करेंगे. Okay, so 1, this is 182. And then 41 square is 1681. You see the carry forward is increasing. जैसे जैसे आप 100 से दूर होते जा रहे हो, the value is increasing, the carry forward is increasing. डरना नहीं है उससे. 16 इसमें ऐड होगा. So 19881. Now, if I tell you now, calculate 100 and 16 square, will you face much trouble here now? Please tell me the square of 116. 116 का square अब कर दो. यही शायद रह गया था. बाकी तो सारे हमने कर दिए. Very nice, very nice. So 116 plus 16, 132. 16 square 256. So 56 here, 2 added to this. ऐसे कर सकते हैं क्या? Without writing anything else, can we do this? I mean, that's your choice. You have to see that you should be able to do it mentally. Now, my agenda is to make you understand that up to 125, there should be no trouble at all. If you remember squares from 1 to 25, I hope you can see that there will be no trouble in this. बाकी तो सिर्फ addition है ना? Everything else is just addition, right? Let's take a couple of more examples. 128 square. थोड़ा और आपको तकलीफ देते हैं. 128 square. Always remember, 100 base is the most important thing in the entire calculation and in Vedic maths also. Now, what is the problem that you will face? You will face the problem of 28 square. उसके लिए भी मैंने एक मेथड बताया था आपको. 2 का स्क्वायर, 8 का स्क्वायर और बीच में मल्टीप्लाई डबल, है ना? So 8 का स्क्वायर 64. 16 into 2, 32. और ये 4. क्या होता है? This 4 will come. This 6 will get added to this, so 38. This 8 will come. And this 3 will get added to this, so 7. Yes, it's a special number, Irban. So 28 plus 28, it is 156. And 784. So 84 here and 7 इसमें add करेंगे. So it is 16384. Do you realize that if you remember square of 28, 784, then this is only a question of addition? है ना? चलो, applying the same method, can we take the numbers below 100? Can you tell me the square of 94? क्या करोगे? बहुत भयंकर ट्रिक है. सोचो, बताओ मुझे. Give me the trick of 94 square. When it is 100 above, we were adding. When it is below 100, we will subtract. Fantastic. क्या बात है. I am so happy. This is what mathematics means. Observation, following the pattern. When it was above 100, we were adding. When it is below 100, we will subtract the difference. Base 100 ही रखना, base 100 को कभी change नहीं करना, ठीक है? ऐश्वर्या, is my voice clear? Is my language clear, बच्चे?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, 94 minus 6, that is 88. And then 6 ka square, that is 36. You know, square of a negative number will also be positive only. Ayush, square of difference. I had written this once, मैं दोबारा लिख देता हूँ, ठीक है? Second part is square of what? Square of difference only, है ना? So 99 square. I think one child had asked 99 square. In I think बहुत देर पहले किसी ने पूछा था. उस वक्त मैंने जवाब नहीं दिया था. Because I said कि मेरे साथ काम करो, ठीक है? छोड़ूंगा नहीं कुछ भी. 99 square. क्या बात है, बहुत अच्छा अभिरूप. आयुष बताएगा. हाँ, इरबान, I hope you get it now. Doesn't matter, अब तो बता दिया. अंकित -1 करना है बेटा. अंक -1 करना है. Very good, very good. सुहानी, सुयश, I'm not seeing your answers. 9801. Very good, very good. अच्छा, एक काम करोगे क्या? एक बहुत मजेदार चीज करते हैं. 100 square is, write this in your notebook. 100 00. 99 square, that is 9801. Now, without calculating, can you write 98 square? Without any calculation, can you write 98 square? Without calculation. Just इन दोनों को देख के, Ayush is right. Ayush is right. Ayush is right. Suyash is wrong. ना. बच्चे, अगर ये 100 है और ये 98 है तो 96 आना चाहिए. और 01 है, that is the square of 1. Remember, it is square of 1. So 04. but फिर से एकदम नई चीज बताता हूं आपको. I'll give you a very new trick. The new trick is, second part is square of difference. Second part is square of difference. क्या कितना नया चीज बताया ना ये. ठीक है. 97 square, 96 square. Without any calculation, can you just write them? 94 square, just write them. Polas, are you able to write the squares without any calculations? Without any calculations.
9409 sir.
अरे क्या बात है. चलो सारे लिख डालो. 9409, 9216. Second part is the square of difference.
ये क्या सर?
9025.
Very good, very good. 9025. बहुत अच्छे. 88. You know, ये 2 के difference पे जा रहा है. Look at this. 92, 90, 88. This is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square.
36.
Then 86, 49.
49.
Then 84, 64.
64.
Then 82, 81.
81.
हेलो सर.
सर ये सर समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
Square of the difference. Base is 100. Difference is from base 100 only.
यस सर.
Yes.
ये लास्ट के 2 डिजिट कैसे चेंज करते हो?
क्या?
ये लास्ट
Second part is the square of difference. 94 का difference 100 से कितना है? 6. 6 का square. Yes, Suyash. Yes, Suyash. 93. What is the difference from 100? 7. What is 7 square? 49. 92. What is the difference? चलो एक बार और एक्सप्लेन करता ही हूँ, चिंता मत करो. एक बार और. Let's take it. Fresh. छोड़ दो उसको. नया देखो. Base is 100. सुयश, अंकित, इरबान. एक बार फिर से. अभिरूप, I think you need to correct. एक वो जो लास्ट के 2 है वो करेक्ट करना होगा बच्चा. देखो 93. How much is the difference from 100? 7. And can I say it is -7 because it is on the lower side. When it is above 100, we said +7, right? When it is below 100, मैं साथ में लिखता हूँ. चलो 107 का स्क्वायर तो सबको याद होगा. What did we do here? We said plus 7, na? So 114. Here 93 minus 7. So it is 86. Now second part में कोई problem नहीं है. Second part is the square of this difference, square of this difference. What is the square of 7? It is 49. What is the square of 7? 49. Suyash, Abhirup and Suyash, 92. Exactly, Anusmita, exactly 91. And Suyash 92 square. बच्चे देखो, minus 8 करना होगा. Difference is 8 from base 100. Below है इसलिए minus 92 minus 8. It is 84. Then 8 square. 8 square, right? That is 64. Right? Very good. 91 ka square. Let's do it here. 91 ka square. Though we have already done 91 square, number ending in 1. But base 100 mein minus 9. So it is 82. 9 square, 81.
81.
Is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Kya baat hai? Now can we increase?
Yes, sir.
Can we increase the difficulty now? Difficulty कैसे बढ़ेगी? दूर चले जाओ. 100 से जैसे जैसे दूर जाओगे, difficulty बढ़ती जाएगी. The farther you go from 100, the farther you go from base, difficulty will keep increasing. But don't take any other base. Can you take any other base? Yes. Will it help you? Not at all. So we will stick to base 100. Chalo, 89 square, 88 square, 87 square and 86 square. ये अभी करिए. So I hope everyone can see that if you remember squares from 1 to 25, very comfortably you can do from 75 to 100. Do you realize that? So आपका 75 से 100 और 100 से 125 मक्खन की तरह हो जाना चाहिए. Ankit, carry forward. Suyash, carry forward. Aishwarya, carry forward. Abhirup, carry forward. Abhirup, आपने स्क्वायर गलत लिया, फिर से स्क्वायर गलत लिया. Minus 11. So 89 minus 11. Where is the problem? Where is the problem? It has to be square of difference. Where did I say last digit का square? ऐसा बोला क्या मैंने कभी भी? I said second part is the square of difference. So 89 minus 11, that is 78. Now 11 square, how much is 11 square? It is 121. But it is positive, na? Square to positive hota hai. So 2 1 will come here. And 1 will be added to this. ये कैसे भूल गए? 7 9 2 1. Polas, are you able to see? कोई बात नहीं, दिख नहीं रहा है, मैं बोल जो रहा हूं वो सुनो, है ना?
हो गया.
Minus 12. Acha, okay. So 88 minus 12. Suyash, tell me. 76. 12 square, 144. So 1 added, 7744. 87 square minus 13, 26, 74. No problem, Aishwarya. We are about to close now. No problem. We are about to close now. ठीक है? 13 square, 169. 69 here. 7569. Homework देख लो. Homework जो है, I want all of you to write squares from 60 to 140. I want you to calculate squares from 60 to 140 using today's method, base 100 method. Okay? Find squares of Aishwarya, homework. Find squares of 60 to 140, all the numbers. All right? Chalo, this one. 86 minus 14, 72. 14 square, 196. 96 here, 7396.
Okay.
Couple of more examples. If I have 83 square, 79 square, 78 square. Today's method is the most important one. This will go a long way. Everyone should You should please practice it properly, learn the method clearly, and homework is from 60 to 100. I want you to calculate. अभी कई सारे मेथड बाकी हैं, but I hope you can see that every day the homework that I give is based on the work on that day, है ना? So you have to calculate all squares from 60 to 140. All right? बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे. आयुष, चेक करो बेटा ध्यान से. कैरी फॉरवर्ड क्यों छोड़ देते हो? दुश्मनी है आयुष कैरी फॉरवर्ड से? 83 minus 17. वंदित कैरी फॉरवर्ड बेटा, कैरी फॉरवर्ड ध्यान से. So it is 66. 17 square is 289. 289. So 8, 9 will come here and 2 will be added to this. So it becomes 6889. है ना? 79 minus 21. Minus 21. So it is 58. Then 21 ka square. 21 ka square is 441. Very nice, Varenya. 441. Jagjit, addition ध्यान से. 58 plus 4, 62, 41. वंदित, आपका कैरी फॉरवर्ड में हमेशा क्यों गलत हो रहा है बेटा? ध्यान से करो. 78 minus 22, 56. 22 square is 484. So 84 will come here and 4 will get added. So it is 6084. Right, Rishit, कैसा रहा आज का? चलो, I'll come to the participants now.
शायद थी 140 ना.
I'm sorry, ये गड़बड़ हो गया. Yeah. Yes, anyone has any question, any confusion? I am going to remove the screen now, okay?
सर हेलो.
हाँ
सर, मेरा एक प्रश्न था. सर, आपने जो 3 अंकों का जो गुणाकार बताया, तो सर ये 100 से लेकर 200 के बीच में के लिए है क्या? सभी 3 अंकों के लिए सर?
अभी जो हमने किया वो सिर्फ 100 बेस के लिए किया.
हाँ, तो 100 से लेकर मतलब आपने 100 से लेकर कहाँ तक, मतलब 999 का भी अगर गुणाकार करें तो वही ट्रिक वापरना है क्या?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बट डिफिकल्टी बढ़ती जाएगी. जैसे जैसे 100 से दूर जाएंगे डिफिकल्टी बढ़ती जाएगी. सो टुडे वी डिड ओनली 100. ऐसे ही आगे क्लास में बेस 1000 भी करेंगे, बेस 500 भी करेंगे. दैट विल हेल्प अस फॉर 3 डिजिट बिगर मल्टीप्लिकेशंस. ओके?
अच्छा सर, ओके सर, ओके सर, थैंक यू.
या, एनीवन एल्स? नाउ यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. नाउ इट इज योर टाइम. मस्ती, हंगामा, ड्रामा जो चाहे कर सकते हैं. Anyone? Yes, sir.
Doubt in that the number is goes in 200. Like
I think, yeah. There was some very bad sound. Yes. Anyone else wants to say anything? Suyash, Arya, you want to say something?
sir,
Arya, go ahead. सुयश वेट बेटा, सुयश रुक जाओ. आर्या बोलो पहले.
Sir, I have not understood that at first time you told na that 93 into 98 and 89 into 94. That I have not understood.
93 into 98. ध्यान से एक बार और देख लो बच्चे. Base 100. What is the difference of 93 from 100? -7. Difference of 98 from 100. That is -2. Now, एक नंबर और दूसरे वाले का डिफरेंस ऐसे ऐड करना है। तो या तो 93 और -2 ऐड करो या फिर 98 और -7 ऐड करो, आंसर सेम आएगा। 93 और -2 ऐड करोगे तो 91 आएगा, ठीक है। नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या आएगा, इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट,
क्या कर रहे हैं?
मल्टीप्लाई -7 and -2, you will get 14.
14. Oh,
9114,
understood, sir.
है ना। और ऐसे ही दूसरे वाला भी हो
Okay,
जाएगा।
sir.
हाँ बेटा, दूसरे वाला भी ऐसे ही हो जाएगा।
हाँ, 11 into 6.
Absolutely, absolutely.
समझ गए।
Yes. Now, Suyash, you want to say something? बोलो
Thank
बेटा।
you, sir.
Yes, sir.
बोलो बेटा।
That, sir, if the number goes in 200, like 210 or 190,
हाँ,
then we can use this method or not?
we cannot use base 100. I mean, sorry, we can use, but will it be helpful? Because the difference would be very large, almost 90, 100, 110. Is it going to be helpful? I don't think so. But listen one thing. Base 200 can be used, right? And the method of base 200 will be a little more complicated than anything else. So we'll do that one by one. Okay? As we progress, we'll do that also. Okay? Yes. Anyone else wants to say something? Jagdeep Singh, you want to say something, bache? Samyak, you want to say something? Varinya, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. So the class was very good and I really learned many new methods. Thank you, sir.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Very good. Ayush, you want to say something? Jagjit Singh, you want to say something? शुभम,
सर मैथ सीखने में इतना मजा आज तक कभी नहीं आया है। जब भी स्कूल में पढ़ा था तो उतना मजा नहीं रहा जितना आज अब आ रहा है। उस समय तो हम लोग डर डर के पढ़ते थे।
कोई बात नहीं, समय समय की बात है, एंजॉय करना ही चाहिए। ठीक है, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। आई एम वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। एनीवन एल्स वांट टू से समथिंग? कोई डाउट, कोई क्वेश्चन? डॉलर मैम, आपको कुछ बोलना है? कोई क्वेश्चन है?
नो सर।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
थोड़ा बिजी थी मैं।
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। No, I hope everyone can see that first day was very easy. Second day was slightly higher intensity. Third day, today we have grown a little bit. कल से तो आप लोग खुद शेयर हो जाओगे. Tomorrow onwards, you know, you guys will become much bigger. But make sure that you do the homework. Okay? 60 to 140 का स्क्वायर आज ही करना है सोने से पहले. Arya, I'm not able to hear you. So एक काम करो, Arya, do one thing. Type your question because I can't hear you, बच्चे. I think there is some issue with the internet. तो शायद आपकी साइड से इंटरनेट का कुछ इश्यू लग रहा है मुझे. I can't hear you, beta.
Okay, sir.
I can't hear you at all. So एक काम करो, just type your question. I'm here only. Yes. Anyone else? Anyone else has any doubt? ठीक है. So tomorrow what we are going to do, I'll just explain. We are going to do base 50, base 200, base 500 and base 1000. So what will happen? 3-digit number भी पूरा काफी हद तक कवर हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Just remember, 2-digit के अंदर किसी प्रकार का कोई confusion नहीं होना चाहिए. Nobody should have any kind of trouble up to 99. कोई भी कैलकुलेशन हो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो, स्क्वायर हो, डिवीजन हो, स्क्वायर रूट हो, क्यूब रूट हो, कुछ भी हो. ठीक है? 3-digit के अंदर we have to learn specific things like base 100 and above, base 200, base 500 and base 1000. सिर्फ इतने पे ही फोकस करेंगे. बाकियों का भी मेथड बताऊंगा, 300, 700 का भी मेथड बताऊंगा. But as you know, every method has a limitation. It won't help us that much. Okay? ठीक है, चलो. So I'll take a break now. Is Satyam sir there? Satyam sir is not there. Okay, no problem. So I'll take a break now. Hello, Divyansh. You want to say something? Yes, Arya. I had said that, and it will come back. Today also you can see 88 के स्क्वायर में 12 का स्क्वायर 44 आया था. 112 के स्क्वायर में भी 12 का स्क्वायर 44 आया था, and that is happening with every number. So the interesting part is, if you know the squares from 1 to 25, you already know the last two digits of all the squares. You already know the squares of all last two digits of all squares if you know the squares of 1 to 25. Above 100 also, above 100 also, below 100, everywhere. It will work everywhere. So 112 हो या 88 हो, दोनों के स्क्वायर में लास्ट में 44 आएगा. हमने अभी कैलकुलेट किया है ना. So it will always be like that only. Okay. चलो, so we'll take a break. See you tomorrow again at 5:55.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care. I know about Durga Puja. I am from Bihar. I know about Durga Puja very well. Okay. All of you, especially those who are in Bengal, I wish you all the best. Enjoy, but make sure that you stay away from. हाँ, जैसे गुजरात में नवरात्रि होती है ना, वैसे दूसरी जगहों पे जैसे बिहार में, बंगाल में दुर्गा पूजा बोलते हैं. ठीक है. तो अलग अलग स्टेट्स का एक अलग अलग तरीका है एंजॉय करने का, माता की भक्ति करने का, है ना. ठीक है, चलो बच्चे लोग, गुड नाइट, टेक केयर, सी यू टुमारो.